Python String.Join list on object array rather than string array. In Python, I can do. Is there any easy way to do the same when I have a list of objects? Or do I have to resort to a for loop?
You could use a list comprehension or a generator expression instead.
The built-in string constructor will automatically call obj.__str__.
I know this is a super old post, but I think what is missed is overriding ___upper__, so that ___upper___ equals ___str___, which is the accepted answer of this question mark duplicate.
Another solution is to override the join operator of the str class. Let us define a new class my_string as follows. Then you can do and you get. By the way, by using list as variable name you are redefining the list class keyword. Preferably use another identifier name. Hope you'll find my answer useful.
Not str.join, but you can also use str.format to join the objects into a single string, especially if __str__ method is defined and lst is not very long. If lst is very long and initializing specific number of placeholders is not feasible, then we can initialize a string of placeholders and format it afterwards, admittedly, very ugly though.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.